Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. Today I have the Yara Shahidi Adidas collaboration. I have the jacket and the shoes. This was not a very hyped collection. I believe that it was announced day before that it was going to drop, and I was very excited about it. I saw her do a little sneak peek a couple days before on her Instagram, or a week before, I don't really remember, but I really like her. I think that she is super cute. I like her style. She's most well known for her acting on Blackish, and she's also known for her activism. She is a very intelligent young woman, so I'm very happy to be supporting her and purchasing her collection with Adidas, which is fabulous. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing here. I bought the jacket and the shoes. Are these the shoes? No, this is the jacket. And my mom purchased the entire tracksuit. So I might have my mom model the pants with the top for you. There were two tracksuits that she released. One that was predominantly yellow and the other that was more of a silky pattern looking one, which is the one that I got. So I was very excited about this. I got it in a size small, and I will be showing you guys the clothing on because I think it was really beautiful. The way that she styled everything was incredible. I know that this has to do with her roots, as you can see on the back of the collar here. Just beautiful little touches to that. I absolutely love the color scheme. You also have on the tag her name with the Adidas logo, and the zipper is really heavy gold with a symbol on it. I'm not really too sure about the deep meaning behind this. I didn't see too many interviews with her on it. I'm going to do some more research and put down below in the description a little bit more about it if you'd like to read about it and the meaning behind it. But I really love this. I love the colors. I think that this is a stunning jacket. I already tried on my mom's in the size small, and it does fit. I prefer to take my jackets a little tighter. For me, that's the way I like to wear them. But these are unisex clothing, so I believe that you're supposed to go one size down regardless. So yes, absolutely love that jacket. And then for the exciting part,
shoes.
These are a pair of Superstars that I saw, and they're still sitting in some sizes on the Adidas website. I don't know why, because they're really beautiful and the materials look really nice on these. I already know that these will be 1/2 size too big because of the Bape Adidas Superstars that I just unboxed. If you guys haven't seen that, I will put it in the iCards right above for you to go take a look. Okay. I was expecting, I don't know why, that they would do a different box for this.
But yes.
This is the box, classic Adidas box. The label, which I will put an up-close picture of for you guys. It's called Yara Superstar, Sea White Hazel Legend, Lacquer, Jiao Brew, or Heyy. I don't really know how to pronounce this.
So I'm really sorry if I butchered it.
Oh.
No, these are
Stunning. Oh, I didn't know that the tongue was like this. These are really, really cool. Okay, so you have your classic Adidas Superstar. First of all, the materials are super premium. Adidas does not play when it comes to their materials. I hope I'm filming. It would really suck if I was not filming. This really is an incredible shoe. I can feel the leather is very soft on the medial sides of the shoe. Toe cap and the midsole are plastic as per usual for an Adidas Superstar. On the heel, you have this very beautiful suede in this dark yellow. I would say like curry colored. I'm not really sure, but really beautiful yellow, saffron color, saffron yellow. You have a dark green, and then you have some of the pattern that you see on the tracksuit on the heel of the shoe. You have different colored yellow stripes for the 3 stripes, and you also have her name in gold on the side, and on the other side it says Idihahs Aray. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I'm going to look it up and put it either on screen or in the description down below. You also have this really nice gold lace lock at the end, and the laces are actually leather laces, which I have not seen on a shoe in quite a long time, so that is very interesting. And the insole of the shoe has the pattern and has a gold Adidas logo and her name are embossed into the insole. So really incredible. The midsole and the toe cap also have this blue paint splatter all across, and I would say this is like an off-white, maybe cream color. Oh, and you have an extra set of laces that are not leather, but just a cream colored normal laces. So that's really nice that you have that. And on the other side is a different pattern. Oh, so you have different patterns on each shoe of the heel and on the insole. You have two different patterns, but you have that beautiful suede on both sides. On the interior insole of the shoe, you can see there's two different logos, global community and on one, and then the Adidas and her name on the other. This is awesome. I really love these. I think I'm gonna keep the leather laces on because I'm still quite shook. Pretty shook about that. I really like that it also has like a blue tint to it, which is pretty cool. I think it gives a nice contrast with the paint splatter on the midsole and exterior of the shoe. But I really like the tongue. The tongue is very odd. It almost looks like a flower if you look at it, and it's a leather tongue. So that's very interesting. It's very different than any other Superstar tongue that I've seen, and I like that you have green contrast stitching on the tongue and on the heel tab of the shoe. So really quite cool. I love this shoe. I think that this is one of the coolest Superstars I've seen in a very long time. So let me know if you have picked up a pair, if you were able to get it from the Adidas website. It was pretty easy. There wasn't really any major hype behind it, and let me know if you missed out on your size if you're going to get it for resale. I don't know if this is reselling. I'm going to have to check. I'm sure it is because everything is reselling now. But let me know what you guys think, if you were able to pick up a pair, if you want to get a pair, and if you did, please tag me in pictures of you styling it on your Instagram. I'd love to see how you do. I think this is a really great shoe. I absolutely love it, and I hope that Adidas does more collaborations with their Superstars because I really like them. And with that being said, let's get into the on feet and up close of these. Guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up as it really helps me out. And if you're new and you want to be a part of my family, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you here. And I hope you all have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye! Are you clenching? It looks like you're clenching.
It's like a diaper.